bad pruning cut. Well, that used to be a branch, yeah? Whoever's last cut it too far out. Now what you've got forming there is there's no callus wood. You see this piece, this here, that's called the wound wood, the callus. Now this is being left too much of a stump. Now what happens then is you start to get cracks drying out, which is a vector for fungi, fungal infections, also insects. But that's on the outside of the tree. Now what happens on the inside of the tree, you can see where the rot's got in now. And this has started to come into the tree and started to spread all over the tree. That's called compartmentalisation. It's a barrier that a tree has to try and block the actual pathogen from getting into it. So that's when you get these visible lines then. You can see here the actual fungal infection and how far into the tree it's actually got. All the way from the top where it was dead, the tree. You can see where it's infected inside and actually starting to rot the tree from the inside out.